everyone and welcome back. If you don't already know me, my name is Estefania and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing this purpley pinkish smoky eye that I put up on my Instagram, and a lot of people liked it and a lot of people asked for the tutorial, and I thought about it. Hello, I've been asked before for a makeup tutorial on a smoky eye, and what better than a purplish smoky eye? So here it is, and I'm so excited. I hope you guys like it, and I hope I explained myself good in this video because I tried to explain myself as much as possible. I'm getting the hang of it again, and yeah, I'm super excited to be uploading videos again. I'm so thankful for the support that I've been getting. Yeah, I let out my curls today, so yeah, I'm excited to be showing you guys my curls. If you're interested in this makeup tutorial, please keep watching. For the eyeshadows to pop, I'm going to be using concealer as a base, and I apply that on the lid and all over the eye, even on top underneath the brow bone, because we can use that to highlight. And I'm just going to be using my finger and just apply that even, or blend it out even, bring it out a little bit, because you're going to be bringing out the eyeshadows to smoke it out. And I love a smoky eye. Then I'm going to be using this brush, which is just a shader brush by Royal and Langnickel, whatever. And I'm going to be using this Studio Makeup loose powder. So I'm going to be applying this on top of the concealer so that it can be a nice smooth canvas for the eyeshadows. And that'll set it, and it can be nice and smooth. We'll set the concealer and it can be nice and smooth. So I'm going to apply that all over where I applied the concealer before. After I apply the concealer and powder, I go in with a black eyeliner, and today I'm using this Inglot AMC number 77, and it's black. Then I'm going to be taking a brush with a small flat brush. But this is not my brush, is it? Yeah, it is. Whoa. But a small flat brush, and I'm going to be taking that black eyeliner, and I'm going to apply it just on the lid. Very precise, so very close to the eyelash is where we're going to be applying this, and all over the lid, so that we can have a nice dark smoky eye. And you can bring it up a little bit because you're going to be blending this out, so you can bring it up to your crease a little bit. Just make sure you're getting the edges of the eye really good. If it looks messy, it's okay because you're going to be covering that with eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using Makeupgeek's Corrupt. And this is like the best black eyeshadow I've ever owned. It's amazing. I love it. It's like so black, and that's what you need for a smoky eye. This is just a e.l.f. C brush. And I'm going to be taking that black and very lightly tap out the excess off and apply that on top of the eyeliner. And make sure that you do it very gently because black can get messy. We're going to be taking a blending brush. I like to use a nice, like, dense brush. So this is from my Naked 2 palette, and this is like a nice dense hard brush so that I can, you know, move the eyeliner up with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking the black eyeshadow The key for blending is to be very light-handed, because if you're heavy-handed, then it gets everywhere. So very lightly, start blending in circular motions. You can hold the brush at the end so that it can be easier for you to blend with a lighter hand. Very lightly, bring it up gently, and you see how little by little I'm blending the eyeliner with the eyeshadow and bringing it up to the crease. We're gonna add the pink on the crease on top of that black. Oh, and the color I'm using, I'm using the Bright Lights palette by Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and I am in love with this palette. This palette has been my go-to palette. I'm in love with it, even though it's like bright and crazy, it's amazing. I'm gonna be blending this very lightly using circular motions and extending it, bringing it down towards the tear duct and blending that. I took the pink color. Now I'm going to be taking this purple color and I'm going to be applying that in the crease. And I'm taking the crease brush again, and I'm taking the pink again, and I'm going over what I already had applied. I'm just building up the pink so that it could look nice and blended and smoky. In with a clean brush. And this is a blending brush. It's by NYX. And I'm going to be blending out that pink a little more. Coming along. So then I'm going to go in with that black again, and I'm just going to be extending the black. Taking the fluffy brush, blending brush, you're gonna blend that all together. Okay, so now we're going underneath the eye. I'm going to apply my eyeliner first, and I'm just using Ofra black eyeliner. I should really read these things before I mention them. Okay, then I'm going to be taking a small angled brush, and I'm taking that pink again, Becky, and I'm going to apply that underneath the eye. So that's my first color that I'm going to be applying. I'm going to be applying the purple color. Purple. On top of the pink. And then finally, I'm going to be applying the black. Then I'm going in with this glitter. And her name is Tickle. And I'm just using a BH Cosmetics small, like, precision brush. I'm going to be applying that on half of the eyelid, the beginning half of the eyelid. So I'm going to be pressing it into the eye. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight the inner corner of the eye. without the eyelashes. Then I'm going to be taking the eyelash, and these are by Pure Cosmetics. These are my favorite eyelashes at the moment. I have to buy another pair. I got these in my BoxyCharm and I'm in love with them. But they're called Bombshell and they are so beautiful. Like, they're, if you can see, they're really, really long and then they're short. Perfect eyelashes, I think, for everyone. So I'm just taking glue on my hand and applying it evenly through the eyelash. And we're gonna let it dry. With this glue precisely, you don't have to let it dry you let it dry a little bit so that it's tacky, but if you let it dry too much, then it dries quickly. So you have to be careful. Voila! That's the finished look for the eyes. So I'm going to now apply my face off of camera because it ain't about the face, it's about the eyes today.
So I finished my makeup and this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time in my next video.